going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And this is just going to be a little bit of a random video. So right now we are actually at the house that's for sale. Videoed this a while back ago, just a little bit. This house is for sale for like 5 million, I want to say. So I wanted to get a couple shots of the car at this home just because it's a beautiful house for one, and I just love the brown doors. It's something different. The car is nearly complete exterior wise. The only thing that I'm going to be changing about the car is the color of the wheels. I am going to be going to silver hopefully soon. I just wanted to rock the white for a bit. I just been curious to see how a good set of white wheels would look on the car, and it looks nice. I've gotten a lot of compliments, but my original color that I wanted was silver, and I think it's just going to flow a lot better with the overall look of the car. It'll match the silver on the headlights or the chrome. But so far so good. I think now that we got sucker extensions on there, we just got to get something for the rear bumper, and I think I know the pieces that I'm going to use, but for the time being I'm just going to let it sit like that. I don't think I've done a walk around on this car in a while, ever since I first got the car back from the shop. So there's still some little things that I'm going to get fixed, but also I am going to be hosting a BMW event that I would like to invite you guys to. If you are in the North Carolina area or surrounding states, feel free to stop by. I will have the flyer here on the screen for you guys. Also, if you follow me on Instagram, I do post the event often, the flyer often, and I will be posting the Facebook event page as well. So check that out, guys. It's going to be June 25th from 11 to 3. It's on a Sunday, but for this one we just wanted to test the water, see how it is, and then if it happens to get, you know, the positive feedback, then we will try to host on a Saturday. So I have no idea where this video is leading to. This is just more of a video that I wanted to make to kind of promote the BMW event slash Supras, because Supras are welcome too, because you guys know those Supras are a mixed child. But yeah, guys, so back to the event. It is going to be June 25th, like I said. And also I'm gonna have a map that I'm gonna post on the Facebook event that will kind of highlight where the parking is gonna be. And I am gonna have, like, the parking in the main area is actually pretty small, so that's gonna be more like a VIP parking. I have a few people that I want to put in there, and I'm also going to be looking at cars to kind of park at the main entrance. I'm going to be selling some shirts as well, so I'll have those in the video up here for you guys to see, which is, it's going to say Beamer Club on there, and I am willing to ship. So if you guys are interested in buying a shirt, then just reach out to me, let me know. I am taking deposits for anybody that wants to pre-order one, just to make sure that you get your size. The shirts are going to be limited. I'm not exactly sure how many I'm going to be making, but I'm thinking maybe about 40 shirts that I'll have available. Sizes are going to vary. So if you wear anything over a 2X, then I highly recommend, if you want one, to reach out to me and let me know, because those are going to be very limited. I think I might do a 2X and a 3X. I'm not going to do a lot just because I don't really know that many people that wear that. I know a few, but the event is going to be more like a cars and coffee type of vibes. They're not going to have a DJ or anything like that, just because it is going to be the first event. But, you know, like I said, if it's successful and we get a good amount of people coming out, then we might try to switch it over to a Saturday. And then obviously at that point we might end up getting a DJ to, you know, set up and everything. They are going to be playing music outside. They have speakers set up outside of their building. They have cornhole for anybody that wants to do that, so you can chill inside and outside of the building. So one thing that I do want to mention is that there is no alcohol allowed outside the premises of the business. That means you can't take it out to the street and walk around with alcohol. All right, guys, so here we have the E46. There's been some small changes since you guys saw the previous video, if you even watched that. But we don't have the GTR hood anymore, and all the wrap is officially gone, except maybe like a little section in the trunk, which doesn't matter because that trunk's coming off anyways. But the car is going to be going in for paint hopefully in the next week or so. I just have to talk to a couple guys that I'm trying to figure out and see if it's going to work out for me. And the color we're going to be getting this car painted is going to be Hockenheim silver, which comes with the M2 comps. So I really like that color. It's been one of my favorite colors just for a simple look. Just because also I want to go with that color just because of the engine base silver. And obviously we don't want to paint inside of the trunk jams or anything like that. I want it to kind of flow at the end of the day. So I really wanted to go with the wrap. But just because the car is going to be sitting outside officially, I just don't want the wrap to kind of fall apart within 6 months and then have that money go to waste. So my plan is to have it painted, enjoy it for maybe a year or so, and then maybe I'll go back into wrapping the car myself, just getting a little bit more practice on the whole process. Obviously, I think there's going to be another car that I'm going to wrap in the future, but for this one, I think in Hockenheim silver is going to look really good and clean, especially with the polished wheels if I end up keeping them. I've had some people wanting to buy it, but at the same time, you know, I'm not trying to let these go for like dirt cheap, which, you know, I'd rather just keep them. So just want to give you guys an update. I know this video was a little bit kind of out of the place with the cuts. When I was doing the other part, when I was driving, I ended up getting distracted, didn't end up finishing the video. So I figured why not give you guys an update on this car. I mean, if you ask me, I think once this is painted, the stock hood is actually going to look better than what I was going to do, because the GTR hood was not going to really match with the polished wheels. Like, it just wasn't going to flow how I would have expected it to. So I am, you know, considering a different set of wheels, but for now these are going to stick around, and in the future we might change it up a little bit. But that's going to do it for today's video. Hope to see you guys on the 25th, or some of you guys. Like I said, follow me on Instagram if you don't, and just look out for the details that are going to be popping up within the next few days, you know, about the event. So give it a thumbs up. Hopefully we'll have this car out there as well, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.